There's fun in learning around the bend. You could even do it with your best friend. If there's science stuff that you like to know, come watch Allie and CoCo Science Show.
Hello friends, and welcome to another wonderful day of a very CoCo Christmas. Today I wanted to share with you a recipe, a DIY for my favorite holiday drink. It's the peppermint hot chocolate, of course. So guys, here's the things that you will need. I was very upset because the sugar at my store in the bulk section was empty and they weren't refilling it for a while, so I had to get a bag of sugar. But make sure if you are getting bagged items that they're paper. I know some places sell plastic bags. We don't like that. This is a repurposed cocoa powder. I actually refill this over and over again, so it's not actually Chatfield's cocoa, but shout out to you that time I bought you. This is another tip I have for being waste-free. If you're looking for containers, instead of just buying mason jars, get something that you need and then you can refill it later. And almond milk, because your girl can't drink dairy. Now today, instead of pumping sugar out of a thing, today we are using peppermint leaves. Oh, I love peppermint. Peppermint's in the mint family, which is Lamiaceae, and that family has tons of different species, almost 7,000 species, many of them with awesome compounds in them that give them a strong aroma that we love. But if you're an herbivore, probably would not want to eat something that smells or tastes like this, but we love it. I love it. So here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna measure out a cup. Now this is enough for 1 cup of hot cocoa. We're gonna measure out a cup of the milk of your choosing. I'm using almond milk, but you can use any milk you want. Woo! Cocoa. Oh no, Cocoa. And you're gonna turn that on medium-high. Awesome. By the way, guys, waxed paper is not recyclable in every county, so check in your area, but if not, it will degrade in a little over 2 months. So our milk is heating up and we need to get our peppermint oil in there. Peppermint plant, Mentha piperita, has all these, it has menthone and methyl acetate that gives it its cool minty smell. It actually reacts with the protein in our mouths to give it that clean smell. To get those oils out, you need to disturb the plant. So I'm going to be just chopping these leaves up. Another option, if you don't want to cut them up, you think that's weird, you can also muddle the leaves into the milk. Just make sure you're kind of like really messing them up. The heat will also kind of get those oils out, so I'm very excited. I used 7 leaves, just so you know. While that's getting heated up, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Yes, Coco, that's you. And then 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And mix that together with a whisk. Don't be shy, you can really disturb those peppermint leaves at this point. Kind of push them into the bottom, push them against the sides. Now while we're waiting, I mentioned it's in the mint family. It's closely related to spearmint and also chocolate mint, so feel free to use other types of milk as well as other types of mint. Just hang out with your dog until that almond milk boils, okay? And then you just sit on the floor with your dog and enjoy. Oh my god, it's hot. Ooh. But it's really good and fresh. It kind of, not dirt earthy, but it tastes just like a fresh peppermint mocha. Hi, sweetie. Hello. Hey guys, this is me from the future editing this video. If you want a stronger peppermint flavor, this one is very subtle. I recommend, instead of cutting the leaves, just muddle them in the bottom of the saucepan. That might get the flavor out more. Or make a simple syrup. I've made so I'm gonna leave a link for a recipe down below, just in case you guys would rather make your own simple syrup at home with peppermint leaves. Okay, bye. Feel free to modify it however you need to with the milk or the sugar. I'm gonna add whipped cream to mine in a little bit. Yes, Colette, you can have some whipped cream. Marshmallows, if that's your thing. So for the question of the day, I want to know, what is your favorite holiday drink and how do you like it? I like a peppermint mocha with coconut whipped cream on top. What's your favorite holiday treat, CoCo? Whipped cream. She is my daughter. Comment down below, what is your favorite holiday drink? How do you like to drink it? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well and that notification bell so that you guys know when we put a new video out. Hit that like button if you like this new recipe or you just like sleepy whipped cream loving puppies. Thanks again for watching and we will see you tomorrow.